Guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could cut a part from a video using VLC. To do that, just open VLC. Let's reduce this one. Drag your video inside VLC and click pause. Go to view and select advanced controls. This red button will appear, and before we start, make sure to know exactly what part you want to take from that video. So for example, for me, I want to take from the beginning, which is the second 0, until the second 10. So I will click on play, but first I will click red button and click on play. Next step, once we reach the second 10, which I want, I will click pause to stop the video, and I will click on the red button to stop the recording. So now I have cut that specific part from the second 0 until the second 10. What I can do, I can go ahead and close my VLC. Next step, I will open my files and I will go to videos, or the file called videos. Here I have the part which I have cut from that video. So the original videos remained untouched, and here I have the new one automatically saved for me. I will go ahead, drag to VLC, and as you can see, it has been recorded from 0 till 10 as I wanted. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always press like and share, and also do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.